local train is in the siding, you need to replace the points so that the main line is safe again. Push the red lever marked siding signal 1 away from you.
Noah's
This
turn.
lets the local train driver know it is not safe to leave his train. Well done. Now it is safe for you to move the siding points back, as the local train driver knows it is not safe to move.
All of us should have a goal.
Push the black lever marked up refuge points away from you.
Dylan.
Come on.
Jaden, help him.
It's too hard. It's stuck. Oh, that was tricky.
Well done. The line is clear and it is safe for the Royal Train to pass. But we must change the signals to let the Royal Train driver know it is safe. Start with the signal furthest from the Royal Train. So pull the red lever marked up main start signal towards you.
I should help.
No, it's fine.
Oh,
Next, the up main home signal must be pulled to show that the line is clear around the station. So pull the red lever marked up main home signal towards you.
Jaden, a few help here? No. I got it. I'm gonna go help him.
Pokemon the bar.
Next, the up main distance signal must be pulled to show that the line is clear. So now pull the yellow lever marked up main distance signal towards you.
Probably it's the white. Whee!